Hello, aspiring data analyst. Here are 7 commonly asked data analysis interview questions along with sample answers. Make sure to practice these questions thoroughly to prepare yourself for a successful career as a data analyst. All the best. 1. What does a data analyst do? Answer. A data analyst's role is vital in any organization that deals with data. Here's a breakdown of what data analysts typically do. First, collect data. Data analysts gather information from various sources, including internal databases, customer feedback, market research, or publicly available data. Second, process data. They ensure the data is formatted and cleaned properly, removing any inaccuracies or irrelevant information. This can involve handling large datasets and using data cleaning methods to ensure accuracy. Third, analyze data. Data analysts interpret the data using statistical tools and techniques to identify trends, patterns, and relationships within it. This can involve statistical analysis, forecasting, and predictive modeling techniques. Fourth, data visualization and reporting. Analysts create visual representations of data, such as charts, graphs, and dashboards, to make the data understandable. These visualizations help stakeholders make informed decisions based on the data analysis. Fifth, make recommendations. Based on their findings, data analysts provide actionable insights and recommendations to stakeholders. This might involve suggesting ways to improve processes, enhance performance, increase efficiency, or reduce costs. Sixth, use tools and software. Data analysts are proficient with specific tools and software, such as SQL for database management, Excel for spreadsheets, and more advanced tools like Python or R for statistical analysis, as well as data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI. Seventh, collaborate with others. They often work closely with other teams in the organization, such as marketing, finance, and operations, to ensure that the insights derived from the data align with business goals and needs. Questions 2. What are insights? Answer. Insights tell you why something is happening or what you can do about it. They are useful, actionable, and relevant to solving a problem or improving something. It gives you a clear understanding of a situation or data, helping you take action or make decisions. They are not just facts or observations but meaningful conclusions you can draw from those facts. Examples. 1. Observation. 50% of our customers are leaving items in their carts without checking out. Insight. Customers abandon their carts because shipping costs are high. Offering free shipping could increase sales. 2. Observation. Sales are lower in the winter months compared to summer. Insight. Our product is seasonal. To boost winter sales, we can offer discounts or market different product bundles. 3. Observation. A website's bounce rate is high. Insight. Visitors leave quickly because the website takes too long to load. Improving the loading speed could keep visitors engaged. Why insights matter? They help solve problems effectively. They guide decision-making with clarity. They reveal opportunities to grow or improve. Question 3. What is exploratory data analysis and explanatory data analysis? Answer. Exploratory data analysis, EDA, definition. EDA is the process of analyzing and visualizing data to uncover patterns, spot anomalies, and test hypotheses, often as a precursor to more formal modeling. The goal is to explore the data without preconceived notions to understand its structure and main characteristics. Key features, purpose, discover underlying patterns, relationships, and trends in the data. Approach, open-ended and often iterative, using visualizations and statistical summaries. Tools, methods, summary statistics, mean, median, mode, standard deviation. Data visualization, histograms, scatter plots, box plots. Identifying missing data, outliers, and anomalies. Correlation analysis to find relationships between variables. Outcome, insights to guide further analysis, hypothesis generation, or data cleaning. Example. Analyzing customer purchase data to identify high-spending customers, seasonal. Trends, and common product combinations. Planetary data analysis, XDA, definition. XDA focuses on explaining and communicating specific findings or insights from the data, often to answer predefined questions or support decision-making. It emphasizes clear storytelling and actionable outcomes. Key features, purpose, explain trends, relationships, and causes in a clear and convincing way. Approach, directed and outcome-oriented, often involving prepared visualizations or presentations. Tools methods, charts and graphs, bar charts, line charts, pie charts. Dashboards and storytelling tools, Power BI, Tableau. Statistical tests and regression models for validation. Outcome, a clear narrative or recommendation that addresses the specific audience's needs. Example, creating a presentation for stakeholders showing how marketing campaigns increased sales in specific regions and recommending further investment in those campaigns. Comparison. Aspect exploratory data analysis, EDA, explanatory data analysis, XDA. Goal discover patterns and relationships in data. Explain and communicate specific insights. Approach open-ended, flexible, and iterative. Focused, goal-oriented, and structured. Audience analysts, data scientists. Stakeholders, business decision makers. Focus understanding the data itself. Telling a story or making recommendations. Tools Python, Pandas, Matplotlib, R, Jupyter Notebooks. Power BI, Tableau, Excel, presentation software. 4. Mention the differences between data mining and data profiling. Answer. Data mining, data profiting. Data mining is the process of discovering relevant information that has not yet been identified before. Data profiling is done to evaluate a dataset for its uniqueness, logic, and consistency. In data mining, raw data is converted into valuable information. It cannot identify inaccurate or incorrect data values. 5. Define the term data wrangling in data analytics. Answer. Data wrangling is the process wherein raw data is cleaned, structured, and enriched into a desired usable format for better decision making. It involves discovering, structuring, cleaning, enriching, validating, and analyzing data. This process can turn and map out large amounts of data extracted from various sources into a more useful format. Techniques such as merging, grouping, concatenating, joining, and sorting are used to analyze the data. Thereafter, it gets ready to be used with another dataset. 6. What are the various steps involved in any analytics project? Answer. This is one of the most basic data analyst interview questions. The various steps involved in any common analytics projects are as follows: understanding the problem, understand the business problem, define the organizational goals, and plan for a lucrative solution. Collecting data, gather the right data from various sources and other information based on your priorities. Cleaning data, clean the data to remove unwanted, redundant, and missing values and make it ready for analysis. Exploring and analyzing data, use data visualization and business intelligence tool data mining techniques and predictive modeling to analyze data. Interpreting the results, interpret the results to find out hidden patterns, future trends, and gain insights. 7. What are the best methods for data cleaning? Answer. Create a data cleaning plan by understanding where the common errors take place and keep all the communications open. Before working with the data, identify and remove the duplicates. This will lead to an easy and effective data analysis process. Focus on the accuracy of the data. Set cross-field validation, maintain the value types of data, and provide mandatory constraints. Normalize the data at the entry point so that it is less chaotic. You will be able to ensure that all information is standardized, leading to fewer errors on entry.